In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Goku in Infinite Craft. So to start with, you want to get Earth and drag that out, and then combine that with Earth. That will then give us Mountain, and we can combine that with Water. That will give us a Lake, and we can then combine Lake with Lake to get an Ocean. Ocean can then be combined with Earth to get an Island, and then Island and Earth will actually make a continent. From there, a continent combined with a lake will make America. We then want to drag out Water and combine that with Earth to make Plant, and we can then combine Plant and Water to make Swamp. Swamp then goes with Plant to make Venus Flytrap, and we can then combine Venus Flytrap with Ocean, and we will then get Seaweed. From there, combine Seaweed with Mountain to get Sushi, and we can then combine Earth with Continent to make Land. Land put with Sushi makes Japan. Now next up, we need to make Dragon Ball Z, and this requires us to have Human unlocked. So if you haven't yet done that, go ahead and do that first. And from there, we can combine Fire with Tree. That will then give us Ash, and we can then combine Ash with Continent to make Asia. Asia with Human will then make Chinese, and we can then combine Island and Chinese to make China. We can then put China and Japan together to make War, and if we put War and War together, it then makes Battle. Battle and War will then make Fight, and we then have to combine America with Japan to get Anime, and then if we put Anime and Fight together, we get Dragon Ball Z. From there, we can combine Dragon Ball Z with Wind, and we will now have Goku. So that's how you can make Goku in Infinite Craft. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.